Verify is built to integrate, and for this example, I'll be showing you how Verify integrates with Viva Vault's PromoMats to both simplify and to secure your inspection process. When I click into the first file here, you'll see we're working with a version 2 artwork file, and with this inspection, I'll be verifying that all of the intended changes between version 1 and 2 have been completed and that no unintended changes have been introduced. In order to do this, I can launch Verify directly through PromoMats by clicking on the menu here, selecting one of the top 3 items. And for this inspection, I'm selecting Compare to Previous Version, and by doing this, I'm launching Verify automatically into a new web browser tab, and both the source and the revision or the new files will be automatically loaded. You'll also see that the annotations or change instructions have been also carried over from Viva Vault. From here, we can proceed with our inspection prep, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to actually cross out the words master and sample because these are not relevant for my inspection. I would also like to do a graphics compare, so I'm going to go ahead and initiate the graphic zones. I'm going to draw a box around the area I wish to inspect, click on the confirm button, and the software will automatically locate the image on the new file. Now, in a case where an image has been moved or shifted and it has been scaled, Verify provides you with the tools to be able to handle this scenario. My next action, I actually have the choice to opt into either a spell check or a barcode inspection, or I can do both if I wish. And from there, I can go ahead and I'm going to click the inspect button. When the inspection completes, all of the differences that have been identified will be listed in the difference card here on the left-hand panel. I have the ability to go into the filters and look at what types of differences were found, how many of each, and if I choose to, I can opt out of any of those differences. I'm going to go ahead now and click on the first difference here, which is the graphic inspection. And you'll see here as I zoom in, we are flashing back and forth between your master artwork file and your new artwork file. I have the ability to call out any differences that I see that are relevant. And I can also go ahead and I can add in any comments. And if I go to my first text difference, you'll see here that we have called out an area. And if I click on my change grid, you're going to see a character for character comparison, and any character that is different will be highlighted in red. Again, I can go ahead, I can add any comment here. And I can save this and it will be output later on my inspection report or uploaded back into Viva Vault. I'm going to go ahead and click on my barcode details here, and you'll see we've provided the decoded value, the barcode type, the grade, and of course all of the relevant metadata. I'm now going to go ahead and create my inspection report by clicking on the report button. And as you can see here, the report has now loaded, and as I mentioned, you can output this into a PDF report by downloading, or in this case, I'm going to upload back into Viva Vault. Now, once the annotations have been sent successfully, I can then return to Viva Vault. I can refresh my screen here, and I will be able to see all of the annotations and comments that I've added within the comments or annotations on the artwork file. Now that the annotations are in Viva, you will be able to interact with them in the same way you would with any other Viva annotation.